manufacturing. In this video, I'll demonstrate the mobile order picking system that's behind me. It's mounted to an extended base with a platform large enough for a standard GMA pallet. It incorporates an Aimco slide jib. The slide jib promotes friendly travel while working close to the pedestal where our pallet is. When working in tight spaces, it's superior to any alternative jib. At the end of the slide jib is an Aimco torque lift that provides our lifting and lowering. And finally, the end effector, a simple conveyor roller tray. What sets this system apart is the onboard power, 400 amp hour battery and a 24 volt air compressor. To recharge the battery, simply plug into a 110 outlet. To begin, pick the system up with a pallet truck or forklift with a minimum of 5,500 pound capacity. Drive to your location, then be sure to set the base down on its leveling pads. Okay, let's start loading a pallet. Note that the safety trigger must be pulled to unlock the slide jib. This way the slide jib is always locked while it's in transit. The system is intentionally designed for warehouses and distribution centers that struggle with turnover as a result of the physically demanding work that order pickers face. If all you gain by using this system is enhanced safety and productivity and avoiding the loss of one employee, you'll get a return on your investment. Well, I hope this demonstration was helpful. To learn more about safety and productivity, visit aimcomfg.com. Thanks for watching.